What is the best way to clean your motorcycle jacket? Because this jacket could use a clean. Let's go. This is what I am going to use. This is the handig schoonmaken pak en helmreiniger.
Huh?
Yes, that's in Dutch. It's a Dutch product. I am Dutch. Deal with it. We're going through the steps. There are many other products like this. I just like to use this. So do with it what you will. Step number 1. Make sure that the most dirt is off of your jacket already. Think of loose debris such as sand, mud, flies, stuff like that. Step number 2. Shake it, baby. I'm not gonna do that too much. But yes, shake the can. Step number 3. Make sure that you're in a well-ventilated area. I'm in my office right now. But I do have large windows on the side of my office, which are both open. So there is enough air coming through here to make sure that the aerosol of this can won't stay in the air too much, because that's toxic, you know. Number 4, if you're using a product like this, you want to make sure that it does not stay on your suit too long, or else it will dry in. I always make sure to divide my jacket or whatever I'm cleaning in 4 parts, and I clean every part. Number 5, spray the cleaner onto your suit using the parts of dividing that you have chosen. Make sure it stays on less than 25 seconds, otherwise it might dry in, and go in immediately with a clean microfiber or PU towel. And step number 6, if you're done cleaning it, take all of the residue of the cleaner off with a wet towel. This will make sure that nothing of the product stays on and can't dry in and make annoying spots on your jacket. If you're done cleaning it, of course, it has to dry for a little bit. Preferably do this in an open space, not in front of a heater such as a radiator, a fire, or in the sun, because that could damage it. And after it is dry, you can always use the handig schoonmaken textiel impregneerspray. Use the spray first vertically and then horizontally, so that the spray hits every piece of the jacket evenly. After that, all you have to do is let the jacket dry for 12 to 24 hours, and after that you can use it again. That's all. I hope that was helpful.